In today's class we will be learning the topic, the cleaning of the temple. When Jesus entered the temple, there were lots of activities going on, which includes buying and selling, exchange of money. This displeased Jesus Christ, and he drove all the people that sold and bought out of the temple and overthrew the tables of money changers as well as the seats of those who sold doves. After he had driven them, he then said to them, "It is written, My house shall be called the house of prayer, but you have made it a den of thieves." The cleansing of the temple by Jesus was not a mechanical exercise but spiritual. The temple represents the house of God where God's presence stays, and so should be highly recognized as such. Moral lessons of the cleansing of the temple. The house of God is a sacred place. Christians should not desecrate it. Christians should not underestimate the house of God and do things that are illegitimate in it. God is not happy with anyone or people who make the house of God unclean with activities displeasing to God. God refers to our bodies as the temple of God, in the same way He demands our righteousness and purity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.